Good morning. It is day 9 on the Camino Portuguese. Bom dia. I am walking a little over 9 miles today out of Vila de Nova Sierra. I know I'm totally mutilating that, but I will put the name of it down in the description below. A beautiful, beautiful town, a lot of art throughout the entire town, along with all the history is amazing. It'll be my last day walking along this river and my last night in Portugal. Tomorrow I will cross over into Spain, and I'm very excited for today. A little over 9 miles, half a day's walking, and tonight I have a massage scheduled once I get into Valença. So I'm extremely excited about today. Not a bad view to start the morning. Just walking up the Camino, minding my own business, and stop for a sandwich and nice cold drink. It's crazy to think that that used to be the path. It just fell down there. They brought in all these rocks and they're gonna rebuild this along the edge. But that's crazy, because pilgrims used to walk on that. And it just totally fell down the mountain. It is not all sunshine and rainbows. It's been just baking in the sun for the last half hour, 45 minutes. I'm thinking this means I go to the right. I made it to Valença, the last town, before I cross over into Spain tomorrow. It's a hot one today. Real hot one today. How cool this is. One way in, one way, depending on the light, includes foot traffic. Oh yeah, this is crazy. I wish I could take pictures of the giant doors behind me. Wow, this is crazy. Look at that.
I had no idea when I booked the hostel Bulwark that it was located inside medieval castle walls.
It's like a party going on. Oh. Look at those doors. That's crazy. It's a restaurant inside the tunnel. Wow. It's like I just came out into a whole other world.
Once you walk through those walls, you're in the Fortaleza de Valença. I got it. And I stayed in the hostel Bulwark. It's really, really nice, actually. I had my own light, my own electric, curtains. I was there in bunk 106 that we just passed. And it included showers. And there was a laundry area, a nice common area upstairs. It cost me 26 euros, which was $29 and change. This is the common area upstairs where breakfast is served in the morning, and it's included.
Mission accomplished. I was able to squeeze in a massage today. A very much needed massage. Okay, and now I need to go find some dinner.
Thanks for watching.